So today we'll be showing you how to get to our raw material list that you would find on either of the formulators for the personalized nutrients or the compounded nutrients site. You can click on the quality tab on the freedom to formulate. And then just to talk about a little bit about the quality of our product, we have our own manufacturing facility in Sisters, Oregon. We are NSF certified and we only use the highest quality raw grade pharmaceutical materials, usually from the most well studied and bioavailable sources. You can click on the personalized nutrients link up top here and see some more information about the personalized nutrients options. But if you click on the raw materials page, here's where you get a nice printout of our most updated raw materials that we currently carry. Currently, we have over 350 different raw materials. That list is always growing depending on the demand, but this is a nice list to keep handy that will help you when you're creating your personalized nutrients formulations and also your compounded nutrients formulas to carry in your practice.